Hello everyone. In today's video, we will study a story about Kalpattu village, and this story is based on our civics chapter in rural livelihood. Behalf of this chapter, and we previous video we already read about introduction part of this chapter. So let's start in this video topic about Kalpattu village with a story. So first, Kalpattu village is a village that is close to the sea coast in Tamil Nadu and surrounded by low hills. Sea coast means the area of land that is next to or close to the sea. So Kalpattu village is that's close to the sea coast in Tamil Nadu, and people here do many kinds of work. Such as mm, making basket, utensils, pots, bricks, bullock carts, etc. You all understood very well because you all are living a village, so you know very well what is village and what type of work in their people do. So as usual, Kalpattu village people here too there is non-farm work such as making baskets, utensils, pots, bricks, bullock carts, etc. There are people who provide services such as blacksmiths, nurses, teachers, washermen, weavers, barbers, cycle repairs, mechanics, and so on. There are also some shopkeepers and traders. In the main street, which looks like a bazaar, you will find a variety of small shops such as tea shops, grocery shops, barber shops, a cloth shop, a tailor, and two fertilizer and seed shops. And you all find out in your village this type of shops. There are four tea shops which sell tiffin such as idli, dosa, and utpam in the morning, and snack like madai, bonda, and Mysore pak in the evening. This type of food is especially eat in Tamil Nadu peoples such as dosa, idli, upma, etc. So near the tea shop in a corner lives a blacksmith family whose home serves as their workshop. Next to their home is a cycle hire and repair shop. Two families earn a living by washing to the nearby to town to work as construction workers and lorry drivers. So the most of the families are living through agriculture, and Kalpattu village people in Kalpattu village are involved in different professions. We already read in story in different professions such as blacksmiths, nurses, teaching, washermen, weaving, barbers, etc. etc. So most of the families are living through agriculture because the village is surrounded by low hills. Paddy is the main crop. Paddy is the main crop that is grown in irrigated land. Most of the families are living through agriculture. There are some there are some coconut groves around. Coconut, sugar cane, and uh, plantain are also grown, and there are mango orchards. So this type of trees found in Kalpattu village. And this village is, we already know, most of families are living through agriculture, and paddy is the main crop that is grown in irrigation land. And you all very well know, our village is already agriculture areas, and paddy is main crop of our village. So same that Kalpattu villagers, most of families earn a living through agriculture. So I hope that you have understood about Kalpattu village and relate to self your village. So very easily you understood about Kalpattu village. Next part of this story we will study in our next video. Thank you for watching.